So, hi there. I hope you're doing good and welcome back to my channel. And before anything starts, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you're really enjoying my content, please a sub to the channel is very graceful and very helpful for me. And let's straight get into part 4, how to use your emotions to grow. I suggest that every situation, every moment provides the opportunity for self growth and development of your character. Yes, every emotions you have, everything you do helps you to gain something from it. जो होता है वो सब अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. We have heard it in Hindi, right? Everything that happens around you is for your good only. When you start seeing good in everything, the good increases. And most people underestimate how useful emotions can be. They never truly realize they can use their emotions to grow, how they can use their emotions to grow themselves and be more positive every single day. They can channelize that emotional energy in them to be more positive, right? For example, in this book, they told us how you can change your emotions to using music. So I experimented with that and I started listening to very motivational music in Hindi. Kar Har Maidan Fateh. I don't know if you know that, but that has transformed me. When I used to put sad music when I was running, but from that day I started putting this motivational song, and it gave me more dopamine, and it helped me run more faster every single day. From going for like 15 minutes run, I started going to 30. And this is how you can use your emotions to make good good thing out of it, right? So let's get let's get into it and see how author explains it. Think of it this way: your emotions send you a message. They tell you that your current interpretation of reality is biased. The problem is never reality, but the way you interpret it is. Never forget, you have to find the power in every, you have to find the happiness in every aspect of your life. So a problem doesn't exist if you don't think it as of a problem, right? It's the way you interpret it, है ना? Right? Sorry, my Hindi comes out sometimes, and because I'm Indian, so Hindi slips out. I apologize for that in advance. You have the ultimate power in yourself to channelize your emotions in such a way that they can help you grow. For instance, Alice Sommer had every reason in the world to feel hopeless. She was imprisoned in a concentration camp during World War II and did not know how long she had left to live. She nevertheless found joy. As she recalls, I was laughing. We were lying on the floor with my son. He saw me laughing. How can a child not laugh when mother's around? This woman was so close to death in World War II and still found a joy in that. Because in her mind, this emotion changed her, right? How can a child not laugh at their mother? How she found happiness in such sorrow. And this is the power of emotions we hold every single day. We have that. We can choose it every single day. Nick believed that he would never be happy. After all, he was born with no arms or no legs. As he said in one of the lectures he gave at school, what kind of husband I'm gonna be if I can't even hold my wife's hand? Right? That guy didn't even have hands or arms or legs, but he still chose to be happy and chose to be grateful for whatever he had, and thus he ended up being happier than me, you, both of us, and had a successful life. He was capable of giving a TED talk, and we are sitting in a room with everything, and we are still so ungrateful. how can this be possible, right? You should be grateful for every single thing you have around you and use them to for your growth, for your growth. If there's an obstacle, think it is for your good. I know I can't find a job. Maybe I have better things in my life. Maybe the good job is coming to me, but it is taking time, right? So use those emotions for your growth. Change the perspective of the things around you to be positive. And this will help you in every aspect of your life. I bet you it will. It has helped me so much. I know I just have 17 or 16 subscribers. I still do it. Because you know what? It gives me happiness. It helps me. It helps me so much. And it helps you too. I want to help people like I am helping myself. These two examples show us that we can overcome even the most challenging situation. Even if you are at your worst, you can go through it. You don't have to stand right there. You have to grow through it. You have to come out of it. You can't be stuck here forever. They show us negative emotions don't last forever. Sorrow doesn't last forever. Grief never lasts forever. Depressions never last forever. Sadness never lasts forever. Challenging times in our life are often events that allow us to grow as human beings. Even a complete nervous breakdown can serve as a wake up call for people. I almost did that. I had a breakdown. I did not have anything. I did not have money. I didn't have a job. I don't have anything right now. But I still choose to do this. Still choose to do this. Because you know what? I want to grow. In this section, you learn how emotions work and how you can use them to grow while simultaneously reducing the emotional suffering they create. So, this is it for today. We have read the first part of it, and we're gonna read the chapter 18, how emotion can guide you in the right direction, in next video. And if you're enjoying my content, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and it really helps me. I'm really grateful for all the comments I'm getting lately, and I've got 17 subscribers, so win-win for me. And that's it. And I suggest you doing that to change your emotions in more positive aspect. Try finding peace in everything. Try finding positivity in everything around you, and it will help. If you don't want to think about it, just take a pen and paper and journal about it. I bet you it's gonna help you out, and it's gonna make you feel more. If you're going through anything right now, just to let you know, it's gonna pass. You're gonna make it. You're gonna be the best version of yourself, and this problem is just here to give you the biggest lesson of your life. And thank you for that, and have a good one. Bye. Thank you, and like this video please.